This is going to be Rappn Peppy cat. We call him Rapper. He is a 4-year-old by Rapp cat out of a Peppy mare. We've owned him since February. Really an easygoing horse, nice to ride, talented, athletic. He was used in a feedlot his 3-year-old year and trained by Ben Baldus in Whitesboro. They wanted him to go in the cowhorse direction. When I bought him, I sent him to Marcos Nunez for a tune-up. Marcos used to ride for the McKibbins, and he said this was one of the nicest horses he's ever had an opportunity to sit on. This horse doesn't want to do anything wrong ever. He doesn't know what you want from him. He tries to figure it out, and once he's got it, he's got it. Really nice horse. We've had older men, young kids on him. Got a little bit of feel to him, but as long as you know where your body is placed, you're going to get along with him. We have hauled this horse out to the Appalachian Mountains in Tennessee. If you're looking for a really nice trail horse, he will also go down the trail and he will drink even from the muddiest puddle. He's been out in the mountains of Utah. He's been ridden in Ohio. In the time that we've owned him since February, this horse has done a lot, and he has not taken a lame step, hasn't batted an eye at anything we've asked him to do, and he's even been bedded down.
This horse here, uh, well, in my opinion, he's really pretty. Legs clean, everything is clean on that horse. Very responsive, very light. Uh, he's not trained as a cutter, and we put a lot of pressure on him today with cows that runs all over, and he took it, never really got mad. Great side, really light mouth. That's a really nice horse. It just need a little bit more time. Make a cutter, a sorter, a penner. He's got a really good handle on him. Can stop, can turn around. I like that horse.